Welcome to the Hayylo Action Management Basics training video. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the essential steps for using Hayylo to efficiently manage your actions. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Hayylo. Launch the Hayylo application on your device. Step 2. Once you're in the Hayylo application, go to the Actions dashboard. Step 3. Customize the displayed columns by adding any necessary custom fields for action triage. Step 4. Use the filters feature to refine and narrow down the actions based on your requirements. Step 5. Arrange the actions list in chronological order for better organization. Step 6. Ensure that each action includes essential information to understand the task. Congratulations! You've now learned the essential steps for efficiently managing actions using Hayylo. Remember to open Hayylo, access the Actions dashboard, set your columns, apply filters, sort by date order, and review the basic details for each action. Thank you for watching, and happy action management.